Hello, welcome to another video from Phace Installations. Got a 2014 EOS in. The customer wants a reverse parking camera. So if we show you what we've got here in the front. So this is the factory fit stereo screen. And we're going to integrate into that display so that we're going to get a reverse camera image come up on that display as soon as the customer puts the vehicle into reverse. And if I add the keys, I'll show you what happens. So as soon as we put it into reverse, we've got the factory parking sensors will pop up. So that's what we call the optical sensors. So when we put it in reverse, we're now going to get the image of the reverse camera onto the screen there. Okay, plus we're going to utilize the optical parking sensor lines to come up on that display too. Now, to open the boot, you have to pull this up to open the boot. So we're going to take that whole mechanism out and put in the VW badge camera that automatically opens when you put it in reverse with a camera built in. Anyway, let's get to work and show you how good this is. Okay, welcome back. So we've installed everything. Let's show you how this works. So let's get the car up and running and we'll stick it in reverse. Look at that. Beautiful. Little camera pops out. Absolutely stunning. Okay. Let's show you what the image is like on the display. They put it in reverse, up comes the image. You can see a little picture of the car on the left hand side, so that's showing the parking sensors. So they're still working, they're still beeping, plus you've got the rear camera. And as soon as you start driving away, it goes away. Absolutely beautiful. Hope you like what we do. Give us a call.